You know, the modern world, it runs on this invisible infrastructure, a whole universe of data, just moving at the speed of light, connecting everything, everywhere.
Think about it. Every single message sent,
Every video you've ever streamed,
every cloud application we rely on.
And that right there, that's the architecture of our digital civilization. It's silent, it's complex, and it is absolutely essential. But for so many of us, it just feels like a complete mystery.
And that right there is why we exist. We're here to pull back that curtain and really map out the backbone of our digital world.
But let's be honest, the world of networking can feel, well, impossible to get into. It's this landscape where technology is just evolving at a crazy pace.
You're just drowning in a sea of acronyms, right? Protocols are always evolving, and entire architectures get completely reimagined practically overnight.
So the big question is, how do you build a deep foundational understanding when the ground is constantly shifting under your feet?
Well, that's our mission, to bring structure to all that complexity.
And look, we don't just oversimplify things, we clarify them. Our goal is to transform that feeling of confusion into real, solid comprehension.
Because here's the thing, information is everywhere, right? It's abundant. But structured knowledge, that's rare. What we do is connect the dots for you, building a coherent framework from the ground up.
And we're doing it by systematically mapping this entire digital universe. I mean, everything from the most basic principles to the wildest new innovations.
So we start with the absolute fundamentals, IP addressing, routing, the core models everyone needs to know. Then we dive deep into the protocols, the actual language of the internet. From there, we explore advanced architectures, the world of security and crypto, which is totally non-negotiable, all the way to the physics of wireless and fiber optics and the software that makes it all run.
And our exploration covers a huge range. We'll deconstruct old legacy systems so you can really understand our digital past. But we'll also look ahead, exploring the quantum frontier that's going to define our future.
Because you see, understanding the past, I'm talking from ARPANET all the way to the rise of broadband, is just so crucial for designing the future. We'll dig into how the limitations they faced back then actually drove innovation, and how those early decisions still impact our world today.
And through every single thing we cover, there's one principle that's just foundational. Security is never an afterthought. It's got to be woven into the fabric of every topic, whether we're talking firewalls or high-level cryptography. When you look ahead, the future of networking is intelligent, it's automated, and it's becoming more and more decentralized. And this is where the architecture starts to get really dynamic.
I mean, technologies like AI are causing these massive architectural shifts. We're moving toward networks that can intelligently optimize their own traffic, predict when they're going to fail, and basically manage themselves. It's incredible.
So, we want to invite you to join us on this exploration. Because, let's face it, understanding networking isn't some niche skill anymore. It's basically foundational literacy for living in the digital age.
So whether you're a student just starting out, or a professional engineer who wants deeper clarity, maybe you're an architect designing our digital future, or maybe you're just an enthusiast, a lifelong learner who's driven by pure curiosity, this is for you.
So, if you're someone who really wants to understand what's happening beneath the surface, if you want to get past the simple definitions and build real, lasting, meaningful knowledge, well then you've definitely come to the right place.
Welcome to Network Encyclopedia. Let's explore the network.